Well, I found her. I was missing a white chicken. And I found her. I think she'd do too well without those feathers. Don't think she made that. Made out of that one. Something grabbed her. And dragged her all the way this way. Her white feathers. That's a nice little trail. That's a nice little trail the whole way. I think it was a bobcat. I think it was that bobcat that I saw. This area's all rooted up. I think pigs come through this area. Well, that bobcat's gonna be coming back for more. It's time to put my chickens up in the coop and the chicken run. Set a trap. You tell me, what do you think did that? I think some pigs did that. I think pigs have been rooting up through this whole area. I need to put up my game camera is what I need to do. I think I've lost 2 or 3 chickens now. I think he's tried getting a couple, but didn't succeed with the rooster. You know what I just saw over here? crow feathers, but I'm missing one or two black chicken. Yeah. That's one of my feathers there. Looks like something wants to come through here. And I saw a possum. Could have been a possum. Could have been. Or not saw a possum. And birds have been broody. So they're easy pickings when they're like that. See that? More white feathers. White feathers. Black feathers. Red bird. Well, like I said though, I like the natural wildlife better than I like the store-bought birds for 50 cents. Don't mind feeding some wildlife. Need to be real careful with these branches though. Okay. But look. There's some more feathers. We've had some cold weather though too. And so it's possible that, you know, we lost a bird in the night and we came by. I might just put a possum came by. Might have been a possum came by in the night. I just picked up the dead bird. Well, we had a blackbird that looked like he wasn't doing so well. Maybe the possum ate that one. We also had a white bird that was pretty skinny. Could have been that one. I think this is where they come through though. hairdo right there. We lost a hairdo. We lost a white one. And we lost a black one. And the hairdo had an issue with its tongue a long time ago. White one was looking pretty skinny, and the black one was looking pretty skinny. And those are the ones we lost. You guys look pretty strong, especially you, Mr. Rocket. Female, 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 male. Yeah, you guys are gonna be sleeping in that cage from now on, okay? Let me fix up this little run right here. And you'll be good to go. Capiche?